parts that helped me the most were the online videos because they were there at any time that was convenient for me. I personally like to kind of cram them all in together at once. I don't know if that's the smartest thing to do, but it did help me. And I could, anytime, even when I'm studying for the final, I could just go back to that exact problem and he's right there just going through it step by step. So that helped me a lot.
I'd have to say the online videos definitely, as well as the topic outlines. The online videos, because especially like over the summer, whenever I was doing this, I went on vacation partway through the class, so I was able to still be able to keep up with the topic even though I was out of class. The topic outlines were helpful because that way I could actually see what the problem was, because my handwriting by itself was just terrible.
I would say that the videos online, the YouTube videos helped a lot because you're able to pause the video and catch up and come in class the next day, and if you have any questions about what you didn't understand, then the questions will be answered in class. I think overall I was able to benefit, and not just me, but I think a lot of people are able to benefit from each one. There's something you can pull from the CADs, the test corrections, and overall it helps you to understand what you did wrong and what you can improve on.
Definitely the online videos, because not only can you just pause them and then obviously catch up, but it's also a way of, if you miss something, you can always re-watch it. It's always, you're not afraid to ask the teacher to repeat a problem for you simply because it's just a video you can play over and over again, as many times as you want. The CADs, because they show you what you don't know instead of the night before studying anything that you already know and then coming to the test and not figuring out what you didn't learn.
They all are very helpful. The online videos were great. The outlines, I mean, that was kind of, you had to do that regardless, so maybe that was the worst of it. But still, if you didn't do the outline, then you can't really learn anything. So the lessons, you needed that just to go in, and just if there were any little errors in the videos, you know, you just go in, just talk to them real quick in the classroom. CADs are great, and the test corrections, just fixing everything that you got wrong. So those are helpful as well. The CADs, that was something different, and that was what I should be applying to with every class that I take. Just, it's a great way to study, get ready for the final, get ready for any test that you're taking. So it gives you the same pressure and the same kind of environment that you would be in a test. So it helped a lot.
It's definitely given me a better perspective on like how to work these problems through and how to study better for any upcoming sort of tests.
I would say it has, because before in the past working on math, a lot of times I would go home and not complete the homework because I just didn't understand it. So with this, you're able to go online, watch the videos, get an understanding, and if you still have questions, you can come back and ask.
It has, because now I can just come to class and ask questions, while before I had to come to class and try to be really, really focused. I feel like I can learn on my own time. If I want to learn math at a certain time, I don't have to do it during class. Personally, the topic outlines, just because I could have done that by hand, but other than that, if someone has a hard time with being organized with their notes, then it would be helpful for them.
I definitely would. I would highly recommend it.
Definitely. It definitely takes a lot of the pressure off of just coming to class and having the videos there for you at home. It takes a lot of the pressure off.
Definitely, it's very good for helping you prepare for any sort of test. Plus, with the other things that it includes, like the videos, the outlines, and such, really helped me out a lot more than I ever would have done by myself.
I have an electrical engineer major, so I plan on taking a lot more math classes, and this really helped give me a solid foundation for the next level maths I'm going to have to take. I found out that the same professor is going to be teaching the next math class that I'm going to be taking, so I'm actually going to take that with him, just because I like the whole way that he set up the Sensei Math System, so I really like that. It really helped me a lot, and I recommend it to anyone else.